I am so good at skipping. Better than anyone in the whole wide world. Skip skip skip, like a queen on clouds.
Bella, come downstairs, lunch is ready.
I'm coming, Mommy. I hope it's one of my favorite foods. It better be something yummy like pizza, spaghetti, or hamburgers. Mommy, what's for lunch today? Ugh! Chicken burrito and yucky broccoli? We don't call this food.
Look at Bob, he's actually eating broccoli like it's candy.
Nom nom yum, green tree.
You. No thank you, Bob. You can eat the green trees. I'm going to McDonald's for fries and chicken sandwich.
We are not going to McDonald's, Bella. We're eating homemade food today. This burrito has chicken and your favorite cheese in it. I worked hard to cook this lunch.
But I don't want this. I don't care if it has cheese. I want fries. I want McDonald's. Why can't we ever eat fun food?
Because you should also eat home food, Bella. It's much healthier for you. Eating at McDonald's all the time is not good for your body. You need to learn to appreciate what's cooked at home, especially when someone worked hard to make it for you.
This is the worst day ever. I said I don't want broccoli. I don't want chicken burrito. I want McDonald's now. Why do we always eat boring food? I want fries. I want nuggets. I want a toy. I'm not eating this yucky lunch. Never. My life is ruined. I'm starving and no one even cares.
Bella, there's no use throwing a tantrum. We are not going to McDonald's, and that's final. If you want to stay hungry, that's your choice. But I really suggest you eat the food I cooked. It tastes delicious, trust me. Look at Bob, he's eating his carrots so happily. Because he ate his lunch, he earned a special treat, unicorn ice cream. But if you don't eat your lunch, Bella, you won't get any. It's your choice.
Yeah. Unicorn ice cream. Yum yum.
Unicorn ice cream sounds yummy. Maybe I'll eat just a little bit. But only to get the ice cream.
Good choice, Bella. I'm proud of you for trying your lunch. Now enjoy your food, and later, your unicorn ice cream.
The carrot doesn't taste that bad, actually. And the burrito is pretty good too, even if it's not yummier than a chicken sandwich and french fries. But I can be brave and eat it anyway, especially if it means I get the unicorn ice cream.
Yes, Bella, carrots have good vitamins that help your eyes see better. And the burrito will give you energy for more skipping and make you strong too.
And Mummy, I learned in school that broccoli helps keep your body healthy. And it's good for your brain too.
You are absolutely right, Bella. I'm so glad you remembered what you learned at school.
Bob like healthy food. Yum yum. Ice cream later, yeah.
Good job, Bob. You're such a good eater.
After Bella and Bob finished their lunch.
I'm so proud of you, Bella. Learning to try new foods, even when they seem different or strange, is an important part of growing up. Healthy food helps your body stay strong, gives you energy to play and learn, and makes you feel good inside. Sometimes, being brave means trying things you don't expect to like, and that's how we discover new favorites. Remember, treats like ice cream are special rewards, but the best gift is taking care of yourself every day.
I'll remember that, Mommy. I'm going to be brave and try more new foods from now on.
Me too. Me try new food.
Good job, Bob. We make a great team.
Yeah. More food, more ice cream.
And that's how Bella and Bob learned that trying new food isn't so bad after all. Sometimes, all it takes is a little courage. And a little carrot. And the best part? A healthy lunch means a happy tummy, and a well-earned treat. See you next time on Story Time with Sonia Panda. Don't forget, be brave, try new things, and always say thank you to the cook. Subscribe for more fun stories.